Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 15 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add the materials, and now we're gonna continue working on this. What I want to do now is to go to paint again and to add the materials for this one. This will be asphalt shingles, and let me just type it. Select this one and then just click the one at the top, and then we need a metal material, so I'm going to use this, or metal chrome, to just select all of this. Click on tab if it's not highlighting to the one face that you want to click, so just click on tab to do that. So once you're done, please double check everything. Everything looks good. The next thing that I'm gonna do is to just go to your part 1 description. You'll be able to add or to download the lighting. So we're gonna add the lighting first. So go to part 1 description, and then you'll be able to select which one you like. You can either put in circle or square base. So I'm gonna use a square base, and then go to download, and you just need to go to your downloads folder and then drag and drop. So here I'm just gonna drop it and it will load, and then you just need to add it. So here I'm gonna add it on this to all the locations that you want to add the lights. So here I'm gonna add it. I'm also going to add it onto this part right here and to this part. And so I have it right here, and then at the top here, and then also here. Let me double check everything. Looks good. Let's double check the material that we use here. So Gulam 36, this one is good as well. So now next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to ceiling plan. I believe you'll be able to see. So here we were able to see the ones that we have here, and then we just need to center them, CO. So copy that, and then let's do 1000, and then I believe we could just put 2 of them, and then just simply center them. So I'm just eyeballing it, and then this one should be around 2000. Let's do 2000, and then do multiple 2000 as well, and I think that's good enough. And then copy this one, 2500, or just 2000. Let's just do 2000. I'm just gonna undo that, copy 2000, and then 2000 to make it consistent, and it's easier for us to remember, especially when we're adding. Here we need to create more views, So let's go to here, plan views, reflected ceiling plan, and then just select everything. So you can hold on your control button or just select this one and then hold on shift all the way down and then click OK, and we'll be able to view what we have. There's nothing actually that is showing. What we can do is we could change the view range to unlimited. Still not visible, so I'm just gonna go right here. We have it onto this roof, and then we're just gonna copy it. I want to double check. So it's right here in the midpoint, and then I'm just gonna copy it. I'm gonna do 1000. I think that's good enough. 4 of them. And then nudge it in place to the location that you want. This one as well is showing, so copy 1000. Just leave it like that, and then I'm gonna do 4 as well. Could just align it AL, or just actually let's just delete it because we want to be consistent. There we go. And then we need to go to 3D again, copy this because we need to add it on this side, which is not showing. So I'm gonna underlay ground and maybe wireframe it so that everything is showing. So here actually it's confusing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it transparent. There we go, so that it's easier for me and it's not all the way down. So I'm gonna copy this 1000. I think that's good. Put it in the middle. And I'm just going to move this one onto this side now. I'm just going to use this, copy, I think that's good enough. Not sure if it's center, but I'm just going to nudge it on the left side. And then I want to make sure there we go. And then here as well, I just want to copy this, and then notch it down. And then check. There we go. So everything looks good. Everything is onto the location. Here I have it right about here as well. And then I think I'm missing one going to the left or right here. So I'm just going to make it 1000 and then double check the spacing. So it looks good. This one is just exact. And then here is good as well. I also want to change this. I'm gonna basically recreate this, but not like a stairs, but instead as a model in place. I think it's easier for us to copy this. So maybe I'm gonna do here at our east elevation and then use wireframe, and then model in place, and then select generic model, and then click extrusion, pick a plane, and we're going to select one of the walls here. There we go. And then here we could just copy the way it looks, but let's just change the material. So it's still gonna be concrete, but I want to add lights, and we're not going to be able to recreate it using regular stairs. That's why I need to use this. It's still gonna be the same look but with lights. So here, adding this, and then we could just align it to this part, go to 3D, and then just extrude it. Now we could just go finish, select this one, delete, because we're not done yet. I'm going to align it right here. So that looks good, but we need to edit and then add some notch there. What I usually do is I'm going to create a void sweep, pick path, and this will be the path. Click finish, go right here, edit profile, and then we're going to create the profile. I want to be consistent, so I want to know where is this located. Maybe 20 from here, from the top. Maybe 20 again. Let's delete this first, and then go below 20. And then 20. Delete this, and then click finish, and then finish. And then you could do cut geometry so that you can see it instantly, and we need to do it 3 more times. So click here, void extrusion or void sweep, select this one, click finish, edit profile, and then 20. All 20 there, 20 here and there. There, click finish, and then cut geometry, and let's do it again 2 more times. Pick path, select that, finish, edit profile, 20, and then there we go. This one shouldn't be like that. And then we're just going to trim this. And then lastly, we need to create again void sweep, big path, go back right here, edit profile, and then do this again. Click finish, cut geometry, and then go to modify again, and then click paint, look for the luminance, and then select that back right there. Make sure you're just highlighting that back. Don't worry if it's see-through at the moment, because once we're in Twinmotion, we're going to change that to a material that is glowing. So now it will look like that. So big difference, looks much better. And then once we set the materials, it will glow much better as well. Next thing we're gonna do is we're just going to add a light around here to make it look nicer. It's either right here or at the top. We already have this, so I think it's just a good idea to just add it around here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this one instead, add it in place, and then here not void sweep, but we need to create a sweep. Pick path, and then I'm gonna select this path right here, add there and there, and maybe here. I think that's good enough. And then let's trim and extend here. Actually, this one is not in the same, so I'm gonna trim here, because this one is as you can see, it's not in the same plane. so you cannot actually add this. So might as well, I'm going to add it not like this, but I'm going to close this off, go to our south elevation. It's a lot easier, and then pick path, or not the path, but I'm just gonna create it as an extrusion. It's gonna be much easier to work with. And then I'm gonna select this plane, and then here this will be just 5, and I'm going to create this and then offset 5 again, spacebar to go to other way, and maybe I'm just going to move this one all the way to the top. Not sure if this one is showing. I'm just gonna leave it here for it now, or actually I'm just going to just do this, click finish, and then this one should be changed to luminance. Select that and then press OK and then click finish. And we need to double check how it looks in our 3D. So like I said there, we need to edit and lower this one. Go to south, edit extrusion, and just these 2 lines needs to go down a bit. So that's good. So it will light up once we select that material there. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.